Today, we've got an exciting unboxing for you. It's the HP GK320 gaming mechanical keyboard. If you're on a budget like me, this might just be the keyboard you've been looking for. First, the compact size of this keyboard is amazing, and the feel of those mechanical keys is just fantastic. I picked this beauty up for only $1,200 on Amazon, and you can find the link in the description below. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics. The RGB lighting on this keyboard is slick, and it gives off an amazing look and feel. The convertible dynamic mixing allows you to easily adjust the brightness and switch display modes. The variety of light effects are truly dazzling. These mechanical switches are rated for 50 million key presses, so you're in for the long haul. And with a variety of mechanical buttons, you can experience different tactile feedbacks. Let's break down the pros. It's a mechanical keyboard, which means you get that satisfying and confident feel with every key press. The backlit keys are a game changer. You'll never struggle to find the right key in the dark while gaming. The build quality is top-notch. Now, no product is perfect, so let's talk about the cons. The letters on the keys are made of a transparent material, which is great when the backlight is on. However, they can be a bit hard to read when the backlight is turned off. If you're not a fan of clicky sounds, the cherry blue-like stiffness might pose a problem. It could be a bit annoying for some users or people working nearby. Overall, considering its price, this keyboard is a fantastic choice for both active gamers and regular everyday use. That's it for today's unboxing. Don't forget to check the link in the description to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.